Hello, good morning mga lalab. Ayan, winter na po dito sa Morocco. It's already starting winter here in Morocco and we are wearing now a winter clothes and I'm walking now going to my work. Yeah. This time is already 8:20 but still dark. This is the winter day. So again, this is my way going to my work. I'm already near to my house, just and only ready near to my work, I mean. So yeah, mega love shout out to all my followers, to all my subscribers in YouTube. I hope you are all safe. I hope you are all in good health. Mega love shout out to Mr. Dynamite 26 channel, to Stella 44 channel, it's me Cathy, La Fuel channel, kay Sakura Flower Vlog, kay RC Perez, sa Ladup Sibling, kay Gerald, kay Sushi, kay Yanalyn, at kay Rogen, sa mga Lihaw Brothers, kay Leah, kay sa mag-asawa ni Cordapia, at sa lahat ng nasa community. Yan, mega love shout out sa iyo. Good morning Stella 44 channel. Thank you also sa mga sa support. Thank you so much. At sa lahat ng mga nasa YT, ayan, sana po lagi tayong safe at in good health. God bless us all. Ayan, putulin ko na po, hanggang dito na lang po. At ayan, papasok na po ako sa aming sa gate ng aking work. So, bye! God bless all!